Another vlog, another day. I'm dead. And YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Ty. Back with another video. It's currently like 3:40. I'm about to go to work right now. Like I said, I'm gonna try to stay consistent as possible. Everybody else sleep right now, so I gotta keep my voice down low. But I'm gonna try to stay consistent as possible though. And yeah. Shit, I don't even know. This is a challenge for myself to see how consistent I can be. But anyway, I'm about to get dressed and I'm gonna catch y'all in a whip. No cap.
Demons in my head. That niggas know I'm throwing hands first. She only call me when she wanna work. First class nigga in the Berkeley. Y'all nigga take care of the bird. Y'all nigga get ready to work. Y'all nigga get rich off a bird. Y'all nigga got lesson to learn. Y'all nigga gon' make what you earn. Bitch, I'm 100%.
So I'm about to eat real quick. So I'm dressed now. Anyway, so I was listening to a whole lot of Red. Whoever let him release that is trash. I was like, maybe he got a new producer. I was like, whoever let him release that is trash. They're not his friend. That was some butt. But I'm still gonna listen to it though. I don't know what I'm gonna eat for breakfast though, bro. What we got in this thing? We got some brownies. Leftovers and shit. I don't even want that. I'm not even sponsored. I shouldn't even be showing this. I'm not even sponsored. They're not paying me to show. Ooh. Say less. Ooh. Oh. Man, it's cold. It's not really cold, but it's cold at the same time, bro. Usually I don't be having difficulties. I ain't on my camera. Alright, we straight. I was watching this one video. It was a while ago though, but it was like I think it was like a motivational video or some shit like that. It was a couple, I don't know. It was a while ago though. But the video basically was saying, it was like, show your teeth. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't gotta go out like saying, you don't gotta like be so aggressive. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you can just be low key and you could just be like, you know, getting your point across. You know, like if you're grinding or whatever. That's also why I got like a tiger. Y'all didn't even see my tattoo, bro. I'm gonna show y'all my tattoo. But I got a tiger too. So basically, like, you know how lions roar and shit like that? You don't usually hear a tiger roar. Like, I mean, you can, but for the most part, a tiger just shows his teeth. And you know not to mess with a tiger, you know what I'm saying? Really quiet, really mysterious, you know what I'm saying? And they just be chilling. Yeah, that's me. Well, keep on shot. Y'all seen Kick-Ass, bro? That's a fire movie. Fuck with that movie on a different level, man. Kick-Ass is my shit back in the day. My baby. No sexy and shit, boy. No cap. Stand outside and shit. No cap. It's cold. So I guess I'm doing freezing cool today. That's great. Employees only bar. Yeah. Smells like Febreze in here. Oh, it is Febreze. It is Febreze. Febreze, boy, no cap. I'm about to choke on that.
Pause! What?
Anyway, so ooh, don't look at the shirt. Y'all know where though, so I ain't even tripping. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Y'all pull up on me out, no lies, no cap. Alright, y'all, so I'm on break right now. I'm eating some food. I'm eating this right now. But I'm still gonna end up going to Chick-fil-A anyway. It's hilarious. Alright, y'all, so I just left work. I'm about to go get a frappe from Starbucks, bro. I haven't had one in a long time. So I'm about to go get a frappe. And then I'm gonna go get some gas. So why am I keep telling y'all? Y'all here to watch, so just sit back and relax, bro. I don't even understand why I keep telling y'all this shit, bro. They deep as shit, boy. It was like 4 police officers. Hey, they looking for somebody. They looking for somebody, boy. This shit funny. Oh shit, my car reversed. I almost got out of the car. My car was in reverse, bro. Anyway. bro, like I said. Niggas, I think that was the FBI firsthand. I forgot my mask. Damn, I forgot my mask. Woo! Your boy always got a candy in the car, no wipes, no cap, cause you ain't know what your boy be doing. Wait, now let me stop playing, bro. I don't need to be doing nothing in my car like that for real, bro. I'm a cool ass nigga. I'm a cool ass nigga, bro. All these cops just rode up in a van. Like, I swear to God, they got out that joint 8 deep. I swear to God, bro. This shit is crazy. Not even that cold outside. This Starbucks line busy, bro. I'm gonna skedaddle. What did they used to say in the fast house? That they used to say like wookity bookity boo or some shit like. Yeah, I don't even know, bro. Look, there goes some more cops, bro. It's crazy. I told you, bro, they looking for somebody. That shit crazy, bro. That's an extra break. I'm trying to go to the movie theaters, bro. Say what? What'd you say? Yeah, what I usually get. I still got the nice boy, no cap. Oh, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy holidays.
Too. Nice boy, no cap. This drink is heaven on earth. Oh my God. This kid's watching the vlog, so I ain't gonna say no explicit content, but just know this drink about to get devoured. That shit look good. Oh my God, that's gonna be the thumbnail. So good. It's hot in here now. This is my 4th time recording this freaking thing, bro. Because my camera keeps turning off. But anyway. Damn. I done took a sip of this thing 4 times. It's so good. But basically what I'm saying is, I forgot what I was saying, bro. Basically, I'm just saying, fuck it. Life is life, bro. You gotta remember that it's your life, bro, not nobody else's. So live that shit to the fullest, bro. YOLO swag that shit. That used to be my Instagram name, YOLO swag, something. I forgot. But yeah, live your life to the fullest, bro. I was saying, oh yeah, that's what I was saying. I was saying sometimes you could be like so close to something, or some shit could be like repetitive, and you like each time it's repetitive, like you get closer and closer, and then like some bullshit happens that's not even in your control. Damn, this lady walking slow as shit. I know he's sick. He about to hit the car trying to get around her. But I'm saying, like, some shit is not even in your control, bro. So don't be mad. Don't be mad if you can't, like, that she bad as shit too. What's up? It's like, nah. But I'm saying, like, don't be mad, because some things are completely out of your control, and you just gotta bite the bullet. It's like life is just like a speed bump. I told Kate that yesterday. I was like, sometimes you're gonna go over a speed bump, and it's like, you gotta go over that bitch, bro. It's only one way. Like, you gonna have to go over it, bro. So sometimes life is like a speed bump. You just gotta go over it. And I was saying, I was like, manifest good shit into your life. Don't be walking around like, if some bullshit happens, don't be walking around like, damn, fuck, da da da. You know what I'm saying? Don't be in a bad mood, because bad energy can manifest bad shit into your life, bro. If you in a positive mood and you feeling yourself, and you like in a positive groove, you listen to good music, and you just fucking feeling yourself, you gonna manifest good shit regardless. Like, it's just the way the world works. Like, but if you believe in God, if you don't believe in God, like, whatever the fuck you believe in, bro, it's facts. If you carry yourself in a good mood, bro, good shit's gonna come to you, right? So this is not a motivational video though. This is a fucking vlog. So I'm gonna see you on the next clip. No cap. All right, so I just went home and changed. I was gonna go to the gym, but I'm gonna go later. I get off at 9:30, my other job. So I'm gonna go to the gym around like 10, get home like 11, go to sleep. I was supposed to call somebody last night. I forgot. I'm always forgetting. I don't think they understand, bro. Like, y'all don't understand. I called you, but I thought you was talking to me. You was on the phone. Alright. Y'all don't understand, but I mean, they don't understand. Y'all understand that I'm busy. Y'all be. Come on now. If I want to be a YouTuber and a trader, and I can't even be consistent with videos, obviously I'm busy. Oh, I didn't show the fit. Look at the fit. Ugh. Let's look at the shoes. These some old shoes. Not really though. I forgot to grab my other phone again. God damn it. Well, it's all good. Woo! My glass fell off my face. About to go to the shop right now. What the fuck is my airband, bro? Damn. Anyway. So I'm about to go to the shop right now and continue grinding, no cap. So, you already know the drill. So I'm at the shop now. At the shop now, boy, no cap. About to cut somebody hair. So, that's cool. Stuff like that. I'm about to clean up my station and everything. It's kind of dirty, but I'm cleaning it up and shit like that. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting taller too. Yeah, boy, stop. Alright, y'all. Good little day cutting. About to go home. Well, not home. About to go to work. So, I'm gonna get some food first, though. Alright, dude. Alright, Muffin. You too. Alright, bro. Alright, dude. I'm thinking about Arby's again. Arby's sound torch. Arby's sound tortiana. Tortiana. It's funny. Hope I didn't get my license plate. So y'all ain't finna see that. Oh, I got some trash in the whip. Some trash in the whip, boy. No cap. Shit. Let me hurry up, though. Let me stop bullshitting. I'm trying to get my food. Let me see. I went at the Arby's. No cap. Man, y'all low-key sleeping on Arby's, boy. No cap. That motherfucker, I don't know what it was. It was like this chicken. Oh, it was a Maserati. Oh, say less. In your car. And be like, skirt. Boom. Nah, but for real, though, she trying to take it too long. So from now on, bro, I'm gonna get my other phone so that I can listen to music and vlog so that y'all can hear what I be listening to, bro. Fuck the copyright strikes because honestly, I'm not even monetized right now, so it don't even matter. That bacon Swiss, that bitch is delicious, boy. No cap. Anyway, it's cold out here. It's really cold. Alright, y'all, so I'm at work right now. Better finish eating my food. I was about to run home because I thought I left my keys, but I'm straight though. I'm gonna finish eating my food and shit. So, you dig? But this Arby's right here, boy, no cap. Only, this job be pretty chill, so I'm not even tripping. Oh, bro. You gonna be my vlog challenge? Why? Anyway, y'all. So I'm at work right now. You don't want to be my vlog? No. Alright. So, I'm chilling right now at work. There's nobody in here right now. Like, this door literally dry. I'm just skip over her because she acting like a retard right now. I'm the manager on duty.
In the fucking video, people really watch me do this shit.
Yeah, they really do. I don't know why the fuck y'all niggas watch me do this shit. Y'all some weird ass niggas, man. That shit is weird. I don't get paid enough for this shit, man. So, long story short, the register is jammed, so we gotta manually open it. We gotta manually take out all the screws. They forgot what's jamming it. Register? No, like what's jamming it though, for real. Alright, so.
Take this out.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna take this shit out. So I'm trying to figure out what's in the way.
Okay, now try to unlock it.
Where the key at?
You been on some bullshit.
We smart as shit for thinking about this. Alright, let's see. Yeah, it's this shit. Like, this shit is literally jammed.
It's not turning. This might not be the. Keep doing it. Turning it. It's the key.
Yeah, it's like,
back
it's something
there.
in here. Like, it's fucking it up. Oh my god, you're fucking retarded, bro. Yeah, shut the fuck up. Anyway, so that's the end of the vlog, y'all. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. So, I don't even got no set time, bro. I just be fucking doing this shit. I gotta upload this shit tonight, bro. Fuck! Before 12. I have to. So, y'all already know what the fuck it is. No cap. See you on the next one.